Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you are here today.
Today, let's talk about your weekend in English.
Yes, this is simple English conversation and great practice for beginners.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn English every day.
Let's begin.
John, what is the weekend?
Great question. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, many people relax, rest, and have fun on the weekend.
Today, we will learn easy English sentences to talk about our weekend.
So, John, how was your weekend?
My weekend was good, thank you.
Great. Everyone, repeat. How was your weekend?
Good job. Now repeat, my weekend was good.
Nice. You can also say, my weekend was great. My weekend was busy. My weekend was relaxing.
Great examples.
John, what did you do on the weekend?
Good question. I cleaned my house, watched TV, and ate dinner with my family.
That sounds nice. Everyone, repeat. I cleaned my house.
Good job. Now, I watched TV.
Nice. And I ate dinner with my family.
Excellent.
My weekend was relaxing. I slept late, drank coffee, and read a book.
That sounds peaceful. Everyone, repeat. I slept late.
Good. I drank coffee.
Nice. I read a book.
Very good. You are learning fast.
Now let's practice a real English conversation.
I will ask and John will answer. Then you can try at home. How was your weekend?
My weekend was great.
What did you do?
I watched TV and ate pizza.
Yummy. My quick dinner was pizza too.
Great example. Everyone try, my quick dinner was. For example, my quick dinner was noodles.
Good job.
Let's review today's key phrases.
Repeat with us. How was your weekend?
My weekend was good.
I watched TV.
I cleaned my house.
I ate dinner with my family.
Excellent. Keep practicing every day.
You did a great job today.
Yes, good job. We are proud of you.
Now it's your turn.
What did you do last weekend?
Write your answer in the comments.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English practice.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning English every day.